if you are somebody that wants to have glowy skin, but you don't want to wear a foundation, I have something for you. You are going to see me reviewing this. This was purchased by me, by the way. This is the Natasha Denona Hydrating Serum. I'm loving this. So right now I am wearing no foundation at all. No foundation. This and some other things. We're going to get into that. I'm going to test it 2 different ways though. I'm also going to wear this with a foundation. So if you do want to wear a foundation, then you can incorporate this as well. So let's get into the video. This product has blown my mind. I saw Natasha Denona share this product on TikTok. By the time this video comes out, I don't know when it's going to come out, but it's been like, as I'm filming this, several weeks ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. So she did it on a younger girl, and I'm like, okay. And then she did it on her. Natasha Denona, I believe, is 50, and it looked amazing on her. So I'm like, I need to try this. I have tested this out in the heat and humidity, and I'm blown away by it. And I don't get blown away by products very easily, you guys know. So you're going to see me apply this. I'm going to apply it. I think I may apply this 2 different ways on video because I tested it 2 different ways. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to test it out for you guys 2 different ways. Today, this is how we're going to use it. So what's the product? I'm going to tell you the name of it exactly. This is called the, oh goodness, it's I, and then it's IY Jen. See, I don't even know how to say that. That's what it is. From Natasha Denona, it's the Energizing and Hydrating Primer Serum. It says it's for oily skin too, because I was like, oh, is it going to work? And actually says that it helps to, I'll tell you exactly what it says. This is what it says about it. It says it has a radiant finish, hydrating. It's good for dryness, but honestly, I have oily skin and it works for me. It has hyaluronic acid. It says it's anti-aging. And what it says, it's a lightweight primer, has a dewy finish, infused skin up to 72 hours of continuous moisture while balancing oil for an instant glow, which it does. So even if you have, and it says this for every skin type, and I agree with it. I agree with it. This is so, oh my gosh, I love it. I tried a primer recently, and you saw the video on it. It was like an overhyped product from Iconic London that was on TikTok, and people were like, oh my God, it's so amazing. And I was like, no, this is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. So if you want that glowy look, but you don't want to look greasy, you're going to love this. And I'm going to show you because I'm not going to wear a foundation in this test. I'm going to wear it with a foundation, but today I'm going to do it without a foundation. And it's like, holy cow. Okay. So instead of foundation, I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to go in with her Natasha Denona. I'm going to use all creams, by the way, today, liquids and creams. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of powder, but you're going to see because I'm going to do a check-in video with this, and I'll do a check-in video with the other one too. Okay, I'll do like a really quick foundation kind of a look with it, and then we'll do a check-in. So hopefully this won't be too long. So I'm going to use 2 of the concealers. The first one I'm going to use that I already have that I use under my eyes is the P1, and I'm also going to go in with the N3. Okay, I'm going to use both of them. So I am going to go in and I am going to use, now one's got color corrector, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to use a darker one right here. Kind of look like a kitty cat meow. I'm going to put some right there. We'll put some on mascara. I'll put some right there. Just kind of like do. I'm not doing too much. I'm honestly not. Very little. This wouldn't even be a pump of foundation. And I'm going to go with this. This one's a little bit lighter, so I'm going to see how it's lighter. And I'm going to add some of that. Oops, like that. Maybe a little bit right there. And here, and here, and down here. Okay. That's enough. I don't want to do any more. If I feel like I need more, I will put more. Now I'm going to go in. I want to shake this really good. And I'm going to use this. Now, she did it I think she used her fingers. I don't like using my fingers. I just feel like I like using a brush instead. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this. And this is what the product looks like. It's kind of like that. See? So I'm just kind of This is how I do it. I just kind of dot it. Take a little bit here and there, and I just kind of dab it on my skin. Different areas. I don't do the whole drip thing. I don't like that. I feel like I'd rather put it where I need it and then just not drip it all over the place. You know what I mean? Okay, and you can even, yeah, we'll do it. You'll see how I'm going to do it in another video. Okay, so I'm going to take a brush for this, and I'm just using my BK Beauty. I'm just wiping it off. I just washed it today, so it's a little damp, but that's okay. I'm using my BK Beauty foundation brush, okay? It's a flat one. See what it looks like, angled. And I'm just going to go in, and I'm just going to start to blend this out. I should have done one side at a time. I forget when I do on stuff like this to just do one side at a time, but it's okay. You saw what I look like before. But you see already how I have a glow? Oh my gosh. I'm not kidding you. I love this. I live in Florida, and I say that a lot because not everybody knows that I do. If you're new here, and like I said, a lot of new people. I'm going to cover that. I was picking at something today. But it's very humid here, and I've been wearing this outside, and it's like, oh my gosh, my skin looks amazing. I mean, hours and hours later. I don't know if I'm going to do an 8-hour check-in because it'll be really late by the time I do. But I will do a check-in today, and you will say that it looks amazing. But I have worn this for over 8 hours, and it still looks amazing. So I got to see how I'm blending this out. All right, so this is what it looks like close up. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what my makeup looks like now. So it just looks really skin-like. I'm going to wear this throughout the day, and then I'm going to do a check-in. It's going to be the same day. I'll probably have my hair pulled back, and I probably won't be wearing the shirt because I'm filming different videos. So just so you know, it is still going to be the same day. All right, this is a 5-hour check-in. This is just using just the concealer, so you can see what it looks like. And I did sit outside today because I wanted to be in the humidity, so you can see what it looks like in the humidity. So it's shiny, but doesn't look greasy. It looks really, really pretty on me. So I'm going to do one more. We're going to do the foundation with it, and I'm going to do another little check-in, and that's it. Estee Lauder and then Natasha Denona. We're going to mix these together. Okay, about a pump and a half. Might be too much. You guys know I've talked about that recently. And then I'm going to just put this in there like that. And then I'm going to mix it up. I got way too much product. Okay. Take my brush. Yeah, I put that's way too much product. I wasted product. Don't use that much. Probably about a half a pump. I don't have any powder on yet to set it, and you'll see it. I had to conceal. I have some little zits that have redness here, there, and the foundation wasn't covering up enough for me today. So anyways, this is what it looks like. So all my makeup is done. I'm going to zoom you in, and then we're going to do a check-in. So already my face looks glowy. It's going to get glowier, but it's not going to be greasy. I'll see you in a little while. Same day, different lipstick. All right, so I'm going to show you. This is 5 hours later. So I think that it works with both a foundation or concealer. if I had to choose, I feel like I like it better on me using her concealer with it than a foundation. Using her concealer with it, I feel like it's a much lighter look. It just looks, it's just really, really pretty. So you can use it with a foundation, depending on the foundation that you're using. I feel like if you're going to use a foundation, I feel like you should do a matte foundation with it, because you see, you're going to get a shine, even though it helps control the oils, but it's not greasy looking. But I love, love, love it with her. Just using it with her concealer. You can try using it with another concealer if you don't want to use her concealer. I really like her concealers. It's the one I use under my eyes now. I absolutely love it. Look how good my under eyes look. Okay, so let's wrap this video up. I love this product. I love it. If you are looking for a primer that is going to look even better as the day goes on, I highly recommend this. And I feel like the longer I wear it, the better it looks. I feel like when it's humid, I have more of a glow to my skin. Now, I have not been wearing this very long right now. I'm filming my ending at the beginning, but I've been testing this, okay? And you saw my check-ins. I love this product. So whether you're using a concealer with it, whether you are using a foundation with it, I highly recommend it. I haven't tried this with any of my other concealers yet, but you guys know how I feel about the Natasha Denona concealers. I freaking love them. I have 3 of them now. Where's my other one I got? 3. I love these concealers. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Highly recommend it. So, yeah. You guys know I don't overhype stuff. I hope I'm not overhyping it for you, but I truly love this, and I did not expect to. I just love the glow that it gives me, whether I'm wearing a foundation or not. It just looks, my skin just looks so freaking good. So, highly recommend it. That's where I'm going to leave it. Thank you all so much for joining me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Smash that button below. I share new videos every single week. And if you're already a subscriber, I thank you so much. Appreciate you so much. Please do me a huge favor. Make sure that you like, there's a piece of dust. Please make sure you like, share, and comment my videos, because it helps to push them out. And I'd really appreciate it. So thank you all so much. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.